This is not all of them, but there is obviously the brand network, which Qualified Plus, Salesforce Plus is. It's like a central place for all your different shows, your events, everything kind of in a central location. You can have a series or a show page. So, for example, if you know at Goldcast, we have a whole show called CMO Diaries, and we have a page just dedicated to that, right? And so it's a great way to centralize and create a home for that show or that series that you're running. There's a campaign page, so if there's a specific topic or theme that you want to build around, whether that's like if you're marketing to marketers, right, and you want to have a whole page around ABM and like content that really helps drive value around the topic of ABM, you can centralize that all into a video hub. A product hub is a great way of kind of putting all your product information in a central place. Like, so if you want to have tips or tutorials or demos and quick demos, it's again a central place for someone to go consume that content. And then there's a bunch of other ones, like having a more larger resource library as well as a partner hub. And this is just, again, some of the use cases. There's so many other ones that I'm not mentioned here, but it's just a great way to package your content in a more consumable way for your audience.